Her life was torn apart. She wanted to restore her wholeness, come out from the dark. Her house was collapsing when she dreamed. Secret rooms interpreted were different than they seemed. Her life was torn apart. She wanted to restore her wholeness, come out from the dark. The house she was trapped in was not new, but old. She needed not meat and drink, but a place less cold. Her life was torn apart. She wanted to restore her wholeness, come out from the dark. With the symphony of thousands, the angels did intervene. Redemption through the power of self-love was a glorious scene. Her life was mending. She wanted to restore her wholeness, come out from pretending. Her story became variations of a theme. Guitarists and composers were in her bloodstream. So many lives were torn by fighting. She wanted to restore some wholeness, come onto the stage and lightning. She walked on singing of sun and fire. Music lovers were swept up in her desire. Her life no longer torn apart. She restored some wholeness, coming out from the dark. He was subject to her spell, a lighthouse, a church bell. Life was torn apart. He wanted to restore his wholeness, come out from the dark. His love was like nature feels in the presence of the Creator, like a muse magnetized to the painter. Their lives were torn apart. They wanted to restore their wholeness, come out from the dark. Filled with a divine force, baggage placed in secret rooms, warm hearth, candles and reciprocated love bloomed. Their lives no longer torn apart. They restored some wholeness, came out from the dark.